guys, so I'm just going to make a short video, and I'm going to do another one of these deadly surveys that I've just figured out how to do on YouTube. So look at me go. And this video is going to be, what do you guys want from the channel? Do you are you loving the Harley stuff? Do you like the fishing and outdoor stuff? Do you want to see some four-wheel driving, some shooting? This is all the stuff that I'm into. Drinking generally goes with all of those things, bar the shooting one, which is quite frowned upon actually. But anyway, yeah, so put a survey up in the top right hand corner, so click on that and then you can vote on it. So yeah, more Harley stuff. You can never have too much Harley stuff. There's still heaps of cool rides I can do. We got like waterfalls and shit north of where I live. Paranella Park would be a good ride. I'll put a photo up of that. It's like a ruins now. A guy built it for his missus way back in the day. Yeah, so it's a like #1 must-see tourist attraction if you're up in the far north Queensland sort of area. But yeah, I'll chuck that photo up and yeah, so you saw that photo, so that's an option. Yeah, we got waterfalls. We can go out west and yeah, Charters Towers, an old gold mining town from way back when. Castle Hill, yeah, I still got a few rides I can do, but or we can start going four-wheel drive and we'll take the 80 series out, take Dan's Hilux out, and we'll go and hit some bush tracks, go and hit the beach. That sort of goes hand in hand with the fishing, but we got that little boat so we can go exploring new creeks, new areas, do a bit of fishing, try and get some barra or mangrove jack on camera and show you what we do, maybe spot a few crocs, all that sort of cool Aussie stuff. Maybe if they're not too big, we'll try and wrestle one for you. Yeah, catch some sharks, all that sort of shit. Yeah, just whatever you're into, chuck it in the comments. We're always looking for stupid things to do on the weekend, so yeah, me and Dan, or we'll bring Trent along, any of the boys who want to come for a bit of a midnight mission or whatever, we'll go and stir it up, see what sort of trouble we can get into. But we are definitely open to suggestions, guys. We're quite easily influenced. With the shooting side of things, I don't know what YouTube's policies are like with hunting or anything like that, so we probably wouldn't be able to put any of that up. We do have hunting videos, but I don't want to get banned or upset anyone, or you know, show anything that people might not feel comfortable watching. It has been suggested to me to start a Patreon thing so I can post it on there. I have started one of them. I honestly don't know how they work. You know, I'm about as smart with computers as that bus stop, so yeah, that's all a bit of a mission. But yeah, if anyone knows how that stuff works, shoot me an email or put it in the comments or something. Email address is skidpigmoto@gmail.com, so you can check it out there. Oh, another mate of mine from overseas suggested that I start putting my Instagram on the screen too, if you just want to see, you know, photos and shit that I put up on there. Not everything's video worthy to make it onto YouTube, so if you're into that sort of shit, give us a follow on Instagram or comment down in here and we can all follow each other. We got a pretty cool bunch of people that are regularly commenting, so let's all follow each other. I know most of, I wouldn't say most, I know a lot of the guys who comment regularly I'm already following on Instagram, but yeah, I'm happy to do it. Put it down, it's only a click, doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of what I wanted to talk about today. Just get some ideas, suggestions. What do you guys want from the channel? I'm having a ball doing this stuff, man, so I'm happy to try new things if you're keen to see it. So yeah, let me know what you reckon. Doing a build series wise, I don't know what else I can do to this thing, man. I am looking into the 2-into-1 pipe only for the power gains, definitely not the looks. I'm still 100% on the 2-into-2 looks cool, 2-into-1 looks shit, man wagon. I'm dead set in my ways on that one. But yeah, if it's gonna make awesome power, I really can't say no to that. But I did buy some exhaust wrap in the meantime, so yeah, we'll make a video doing the exhaust wrap on the short shots. I got the titanium one, pretty sure it's titanium one. I'll put a photo of it up here. But this one you don't have to wet, and it won't get all fiberglass in your fingers, so we all know how itchy and shitty that stuff is. So that'll be another sort of Dyna build series one. But apart from that, man, I've ordered some of the DK Customs knuckle duster foot pegs from the States, but I don't like my chances getting them through customs. But watch this space, I'll let you know if I manage to sneak them through. But I was just going to put them as the passenger ones. Not that I hardly ever have anyone on the back of this thing, but every now and then the wifey does jump on. Another thing I will do to this eventually, which I'll probably, I won't be rushing out to do it, but would be the front suspension. I want to do something with the forks, the springs in there. You really notice it now. I've got airbags on the back, how shitty the front suspension is, but it's not the end of the world. I can survive. Dan was saying a lot of people just put heavier oil in there too, which firms it up a bit. Oh, motherfucking roadworks. Alright guys, so that'll do for this video. I'll leave it here. Hope you take the time to click on my little survey thing. I'm pretty fucking excited that I finally figured out how to do that. I'm gonna have to go back into the beard survey video and actually put the survey in it. So after you watch this one, watch that one again and click your yes or no or maybe or whatever. Fuck, I'm lost in suburbia. How do I get out of here? Alright, this could take a while guys, so I'll leave it here. Catch you later, eh? Thanks for watching. Don't forget, press like and subscribe. You got a headbutt. If you can't headbutt that subscribe button, just give up. No, don't. Just press it with your finger. Righto guys, catch ya.